Naked Thorn Motorsports here. Chrysler New Yorker 79. We all know it. It's going in storage. Did a little work. Pulled the trunk off and beat it. The lid flat so I could see the back of her in here. So she's up out of the way. But she'll get stored till spring and be get her ready when spring of the year comes. And take her out and finish her off. And this is the lovely aftermath. Got a little work to do. Not much. Had fun. It was a pain in the ass, but it's always fun to be out there and run. So hopefully next year there'll be another car out there with me. I'm looking for sponsorship. Help me find one. Alright. Later.